Hi friends, welcome to my channel Abhi'sFoodVilla. So today the recipe is an amazing one, which is millet soup. It is very tasty, healthy and very quick to prepare. So firstly I have taken 2 to 3 teaspoons of foxtail millet or Korralu and I have soaked them in water for overnight. The next day what we're gonna do is we'll be blending them in a mixie jar, and this is how the consistency looks like. Basically it becomes a thick paste. As I have added more water, you can see it has become somewhat runny, so any consistency goes perfectly well. Next for veggies, we have taken some carrots, some palak, frozen peas, some pepper, salt, and here I am using butter. You can also use ghee or oil instead, and some ginger. Now let's get into the preparation. Firstly, I have taken a pan. Into this I'll be adding in some butter. So I personally like to add in butter or ghee, it's up to you. And next I'll be adding in some chopped ginger. Saute them until the rawness of the ginger goes completely off. Next we'll be adding in some veggies. Here I have taken some carrots, palak and peas. So you can add veggies as per your taste and preference. You can also add in some beans and sweet corn if you like. So here I have added some palak and sauteed them. Next we'll be adding in some frozen peas. So as they are frozen, I have put them in water for a while to make them somewhat soft. Add in some pinch of salt. Mix it well and cover it off with a lid and cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes on a medium to low flame. Once the veggies get cooked, we'll be adding in our main ingredient, which is the foxtail millet puree. So this is how it actually looks like. I made it somewhat runny and watery. You can also make it as a thick paste and add in. Now with the same cup I'll be adding in 2 cups of water. So here I'm preparing this soup for 2 people. So as per the number of people, choose your measurements. Now you can see this is how it looks like. Let this cook on a medium flame. For seasoning, let's add in some salt and pepper. I personally like to add less salt and more pepper in my food. The good thing about this millet soup is that millets are gluten free and they are highly nutritious, and they are rich in dietary fibers, and they helps to control blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and mainly it helps to promote weight loss. So you can see this is how the consistency looks like. It becomes somewhat thick, and that means that you can now turn off the flame and serve it hot. Do try this at your home and let me know how it tasted and what are the comments of your family. And do not forget to hit that like button, share button and subscribe button to my channel Abhi'sFoodVilla. Till then, stay tuned. I'll be back with another amazing video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go check them out. See you next time. Till then, happy cooking. Bye bye.